the 16,000 BTU portable air conditioner, the ultimate room revival tool. Are you tired of sweltering through the hottest summer days in your stuffy bedroom or home office? Do you dream of having a cool oasis that instantly transforms into an Arctic sanctuary whenever you need it? Well, I've got the solution for you. This 16,000 BTU portable air conditioner is more than just a portable AC unit. It's a powerhouse that packs a punch. Let me tell you why. With its impressive cooling power of up to 16,000 BTUs, this baby can cool rooms up to 730 square feet in just minutes. That means you can say goodbye to sweaty messes and hello to a refreshing breeze that'll make you feel like you're walking out into the crisp morning air. But what really sets this product apart is its 5-in-1 design. Not only does it function as a portable AC unit, but it's also a high-capacity dehumidifier, a 3-speed fan, and an intelligent sleep mode helper. The 24H timer and auto-swing function ensure even air distribution, eliminating hot spots that common portable ACs often miss. And when you're trying to catch some Z's, this baby is whisper quiet in sleep mode. Quieter than a library, if I'm being honest. It automatically adjusts temperature to maintain comfort through the night without disturbing your sleep. You'll be sleeping like a baby in no time. But wait, there's more. This portable AC has integrated Wi-Fi and app support, so you can program 24/7 schedules, monitor energy usage, or switch between cooling, fan, and sleep modes from your smartphone. It's like having your own personal climate butler at your beck and call. And let's talk about the environmental impact. With its drainage-free innovation feature, this smart portable AC has a built-in water self-evaporation system that eliminates the need to drain water for daily use. And in high humidity areas? No problem. The system automatically evaporates water during the cooling cycle, so you can enjoy cool air without worrying about any maintenance. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I move this beast around? Well, worry no more. This portable AC comes with 4 360 degrees heavy-duty wheels and hidden handles on both sides. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and won't break the bank. In short, this 16,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a game-changer for anyone who wants to beat the heat in style. Whether you're looking for relief from sweltering summer days or simply want to upgrade your home office or bedroom experience, this baby delivers.